What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm gonna do a makeup look for you. So I did this look today and I thought it'd be like really cute to like recreate it for you guys so you guys can do it yourself. And I just really like this look and I think it looks amazing. And yeah, so if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's just get right into this makeup look. Okay guys, so I just took off all my makeup, but I kept my eyebrows on because I don't know, I just feel like everybody knows how to do eyebrows, and I didn't want to take them off because I really like the way they look today. So I'll just tell you what I used to do my eyebrows this morning. So I used this Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color Blonde, and I use this all the time for my eyebrows. And like, if you haven't tried it, you definitely should try it because it's absolutely amazing. And I just got like a cheap e.l.f. brush to use, and it's this clear one, and like it's got like the angled part and like the spoolie part, and I think it looks so good. And I've used other products before for my eyebrows. I've had like Anastasia pencils, Anastasia, I forget what the other thing was called. Then I've tried like the e.l.f. powder and the e.l.f. like cream pomade, and I just feel like this one looks the best, and you don't feel it as much on your eyebrow, and like you can wipe your eyebrow and like it doesn't really come off. And I really like that because my eyebrows are nothing if I don't have anything on them. So yeah, so that's my eyebrows, and then I'm just gonna get into the eyes. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I think it looks exactly the same from the beginning of the video, but that's because I redid it, so I redid it that good. No, but this is the finished look, and I'm obsessed, and I think it's like the cutest look ever for fall. So if you guys recreate this look, tell me down below because I would love to hear if you guys do. And yeah, I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And yeah, bye.